All right, so looking at this question, I guess you are aware that GCE results are out 2024. So under sets paper 2, the question that came in GCE 2024 was the one that you're able to see here. So let me read the question for you. The question reads, the Venn diagram shows the number of elements of sets P, Q, and R. So you can see the Venn diagram right here. Set Q is right here. Set P is this one. Set R, it's this right here. And they say, find the value of X such that N of P is equal to 18. So in or under sets, when you see the letter N, they are simply talking about number. So they are saying the number of elements in set what? Set P is equal to 18. So let's check set P. Set P is right here. So when they talk about the N or the number of elements in set P, all what you need to do is to add. So get all the elements, since they've said N of P is equal to 18. So here you are expected to add the elements, this plus this plus this plus this plus this. So that will be X plus 1 plus 2X plus 1 is equal to 18. Okay, so we now solve this equation. We shall first group the like terms, and in grouping the like terms, we shall have X plus 2X. So we want all the terms with X to one side of the equation and terms without X to one side of the equation. So you can see this one comes this side, this side. And we know that the rule here, or the mathematical rule, says that whenever this comes this side, it changes the sign to negative. It's positive, it will be negative. Positive, negative. So here, there is a 1 in front of this X and a 1 in front of this X. We shall add them. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, it will give us a 4X. So there are 4 X's. 1, 2 plus this 2, it's 4. Which is equal to 18 minus 2. So we shall say 4x is equal to a 16. 18 minus 2 will give us a 16. We divide by 4 here. The value of x will simply be equal to a 4. This is because 4 into 4 it's 1, into 16 it's a 4. So that's the solution for question 1. Okay. Now let's check out question 2. For question number 2, they're saying N of R complement. So they're saying don't get elements in R. You get everything that is outside R. So let's look at our Venn diagram and check what is outside R. So what is outside R here? You can see we've got a 12. This 12 is not in R because set R is this one. We shall say plus X is not in set R plus 2X plus 1. They are all not in set R. And what we want to find is N of R complement. And this is N of R complement. So we can substitute 12 plus a 4 where X is, plus 2, 4 plus a 1. And when we work out this, we are simply getting a 12 plus 4 plus 8 plus a 1. And adding all these we're simply getting A25, because this is giving us 16 plus 8, it's 24 plus 1, it's a 25. So this is our answer for question 2. For question number 3, so question number 3 here, they are saying number of element in R union Q. So R union Q. So let's identify our R union Q. So R union Q will simply be equal to, that's R union Q, R union Q. Okay, this is what we want. R union Q, this will simply be equal to the elements in Q are 12 plus X. Remember, there's N here, so we are counting. So we shall say 12 plus X plus what is in R here. That is X plus a 1. So here we can substitute the value of X, which is a 4. And when we simplify here, for these two, we're getting a 16. 16 is giving us a 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is giving us a 21. So the answer here for question number 3 is 21. We go to our last question, which is number of elements in P intersect Q, complement. Remember, there is complement. So this is very important. Let me write it here. So they're saying number of elements in P intersect Q. So P intersect Q, complement. So now, what is P intersect Q complement? So let's identify P intersect Q. So P intersect Q will simply be equal to X. P intersect Q. Q is right here and P is here. So the intersection of these two sets is what? Is X. So meaning we're going to get what is outside this. So we have this, this, and this. So we can say number of elements in P intersect Q complement will simply be equal to a 12 plus X, this X here plus 1. You see, 12 plus X plus 1, not the X which is here, plus 2X plus a 1. So now we substitute the value of X, which is a 4, plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, multiplied by 4 there, plus a 1. So when we simplify here, we're getting a 16 plus a 1, plus here 8 plus a 1. So this is a 16 plus this, and this will give us a 10. So this is giving us a 26. So the answer for the last question is a 26. Thank you so much. Hopefully you've learned 1 or 2 things out of this video. Please remember to share the video, and also note that we've started tuitions for 2025 GCE. Don't be left out. I think you saw how your friends were celebrating, and this is what we want to come and happen to you next year, 2025. There is only one secret if you want to pass your GCE, and this is the time that you start your online tuitions. So if you want to be helped, if you want to join our online classes in a number of subjects, these are the numbers you can get in touch with us, WhatsApp or call. These 2 numbers, any of them. So we've got English, Maths, Biology, Commerce, Accounts, Civic Education, Biology, Physics, Chemistry, Additional Mathematics, and many more subjects. And also we've got classes for the grade 9s. So make sure you be part of the class.